bubbles. Rainbow. What'd you think about it, Chan?
Why they're not going to wash it off? I don't see anything. I don't see a tornado.
You don't see a tornado?
Uh-oh, I think I see one.
You see one.
At the bottom. Uh-oh. It's coming on my way.
Oh no! Is it coming?
Why did not go off my window?
It is. It takes a little time. Is it coming? Oh! It's coming. It's coming, honey. This is the Mac Daddy wash. Where'd it go? It's gone? Oh! It's hitting our car.
What?
It went, ooh. See it? It's the calm before the storm. Is it coming? Oh, here it comes.
Storm?
No. The car wash.
What is that coming out my way?
No. Is it coming?
What? What was that? What was that?
That was it washing. Here it comes! Oh no!
It's going everywhere. What are we gonna do?
It's
gonna come out my window.
You'd be a good actor. Aw.
Are you going backwards?
No, we're not moving.
What is that?
It's washing the bottom of the car. What's next?
What?
I don't know.
A tornado?
I don't know. Is it the end? Oh, go.